All right, agate vlog time. Okay, I want to get this one in its natural habitat before the wave washes it away. But first one of the day, and it's a beauty. It's kind of small, but it's really pretty. I'm so excited because you never know. You never know. It's a little mossy agate. You can see a little bit of moss on it right there, and it is super pretty, super tiny. Let's go find something a little bigger. Cool. Ooh. That's the nicest of the day so far. Wow. That's nice. All right, check it out. So some of these are really hard to spot, and I don't know. I was walking up into this kind of drier area, and I see this one just glowing just so slightly. And this is actually such a beautiful agate, so I'm gonna go ahead and just stop talking. Just picked up this beauty right here. We're getting a little bit bigger with our finds, which is pretty cool. So this one's pretty, it's got a little bit of mossy, kind of like this brown stuff on the outside is like mossy agates have this. I am stoked about this one. Well, guy, I'm walking down into a little bit of these larger rocks down here, and the tricky part is that it's low tide, so there's algae, or not algae, seaweed and barnacles and stuff down here, so it's tricky to kind of like find agates in this, you know, dirtier stuff. But right here is an area that I don't think many people will walk because it's honestly kind of hard walking, and there's not too much seaweed, so I'm thinking maybe I might find something really big in these medium to larger rocks. The trick is always to kind of switch up your strategy. Never, I mean, unless something's producing like crazy, I wouldn't rely on just one strategy. You gotta switch it up and take some risks. So I started hunting this upper edge a little bit along the cliff, and I just came across, check this one out. Just came across this sweet one with a really cool pattern on it. And I really hope it comes out, but yeah, man, that's a beautiful rock. It's got kind of like some circular designs on it. Stoked to get that home and clean it up, but that's a nice beach agate. Patterns are insane. I don't know, I think it's because of erosion, so certain softer pieces are going to erode faster than kind of like the harder, I guess, kind of razorbacks you could call them, but man, that's beautiful. I've always loved these, like, growing up on Whidbey Island, like, I'm from here originally, and like, I've always loved playing around these dope cliffs. They're so cool. Just came across this one lone one, but really pretty one, just kind of sitting by itself in a sandy area, which is pretty cool because usually you find them more in these rock piles up here, but this one was kind of in the sand. Whoa, dude. Oh my gosh, that's the nicest one of the day. That's such a beautiful agate. I haven't even touched it yet. Wow. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That's a beauty here. So this one is really the color we're going for. And look, it's got some, oh man, it's got some seriously nice pitting on it too, which just makes it so beautiful. That's awesome. I'm so stoked. Nice. That's a great find. Awesome. Here we go. Super clear agate. Not overly like unique, but still can't complain. Nice find. Awesome. As I walk, I like to just kind of hold them in my hand and feel them and kind of keep looking at them too, because then as I'm scanning for more, I kind of feel like it trains my eye. Like the more you look at something, you know, the more comfortable you get with it. I think that's kind of with anything in life. So, oh, there we go. Look at that. Dude, that's a pretty one. All right, we'll add it to the handful. But anyway, yeah, I say just kind of keep looking at them as you walk, and then you're going to kind of, again, like I said, train your eye, and it's going to make you pick up more agates, kind of like more bang for your buck style, in my opinion. So, yeah, nice little handful we got going so far. A few more in my backpack too, so pretty stoked. This beach is killing it today. Another nice little guy. Really pretty coloration. Yeah, this beach is really, this is awesome. I love it. So I was just scanning the edge of these waves. They were bringing in some new stones, and I just found such a beauty. There we go. That is more of what we've been looking for today. That's such a nice agate. I think it's a mossy agate. It's got the moss on the outside, but that's the size. That's the quality we're looking for. It's denser. It's chunkier. It's got multiple different color variations in it, and it just looks so pretty before the waves come in and grab it. So stoked. Nice, that's what's up. Man, that one just pops. It's unreal. It's probably super hard to see because I'm filming on a, iPhone, but it's all good. But oh my gosh, that's such a pretty one. I was just walking, I found all 3 of these consecutively. This one's got some crazy stripes going on, and I'm super pumped about it. Got a little tiny guy, and then we got this cool dark one here. So toss them down in the rock so you can really see. All right, so pretty successful day hunting. It got a little cloudy, so I cut it a little bit short because you can't, I don't know, hunting in the clouds, like, it's not as fun, and you can't see the agates as much. And I already got a pretty good haul, so let me go ahead and show you what I got. Dash cam, check this out. So here's the haul from today. Again, right now they're dry, so they're not popping quite as much as when they were wet. This one was probably technically the nicest one of the day. Definitely not my favorite though. My favorite I think is that one right there, the stripey one. The stripey one is pretty cool. I like the coloration of this one too, this reddish one. This one's got some sweet like pitting inside of it. I'll have to look deeper into that later when I wash it. Remember, these are all dry, so they're not gonna pop as much, but that's a nice big chunk I got. Some other nice ones. That one's pretty sweet actually. Some clear ones, some glowy ones. But yeah, overall pretty good haul. So anyway, again, these were all on a private beach where I wasn't around other people, so I wasn't putting people at risk with this whole virus thing that's going on. So please keep that in mind. But anyway, if you do have a situation or an area where you can get outside and do it responsibly, I definitely encourage you to do so. I know that the CDC at this point is recommending that people do get outside and walk around, just not around other people. So I agree with that personally, and I'm going to go ahead and follow that suggestion and keep doing things like this in areas that I'm not putting other people in danger. That's it for me. That's it for today, and I will see you next time. All right, peace.